Good morning. In today's class, we discuss some more important problems based on the concept of transpose of a matrix. So, what is the first problem? A is equal to minus 2, 1, 0, 3, 4, minus 5, B equal to 1, 2, 4, 3, minus 1, 5. Find A plus B dash. A plus B dash. So, already we know A, but we now going to find B dash. So, solution. For this solution, first we have to find B dash. B dash is equal to nothing but what is B? 1, 2, 4, 3 minus 1. B dash means you must change these rows into columns. So first row becomes first column 1, 2, second row, second column 4, 3, third row minus 1, 5, third column. Now what we are going to find A plus B dash. What is A? Minus 2, 1, 0, 3, 4, minus 1 plus, and what is B dash? Here we get B dash 1, 4, minus 1, 2, 3, 5. This is equals to, now we are going to add these two matrices, minus 2 plus 1, 1 plus 4, 0 minus 1, and again 3 plus 2, 4 plus 3, minus 5 plus 5. Minus 2 plus 1, minus 1, 5, minus 1, 3 plus 2, 5, 4 plus 3, 7, minus 5 plus 5, 0. Minus 5 plus 5, 0. So this is A plus B dash. So this is the concept. Very simple. Okay. In the same way here, the second problem is, first we have to find A dash, and they asked us A and A dash commute. Commute means if A and B are two matrices, then what is commutative property? If AB equal to BA, then it becomes commutative. So here what we are going to see, A and A dash are commute. That means A into A dash must be equals to A dash into A. Then only the matrices A and A dash are commute. So first of all we have to solution. For this A is equal to, what is the matrix? Minus 1, 2, 0, 1. And what is A dash? From this we convert into A dash. A dash means first row becomes first column, second row becomes second column. Now what you are going to find A into A dash? First of all you have to find A into A dash. So minus 1, 2, 0, 1 into minus 1, 0, 2, 1. And this is equals to, this is the rows and this is the columns. Minus 1 into minus 1, 1. Plus 2 into 2, 4. Again minus 1 into 0, 0. Plus 2 into 1, 2. Again 0 into minus 1, 0. Plus 1 into 2, 2. Again 0 plus 1. 5, 2, 2, 1. This is A into A dash. Again we have to find A dash into A. So what is A dash? Minus 1, 0, 2, 1 into, and what is A? Minus 1, 2, 0, 1. So this row is called, you have to multiply it. 1 plus 0, minus 2 plus 0, minus 2 plus 0, 4 plus 1. So this is nothing but 1 plus 0, 1 minus 2, minus 2, 5. So A into A dash means 5, 2, 2, 1. This is 1 minus 2 minus 2, 5. Therefore, A dash is not equal to A dash into A. Therefore, A comma A dash are not commute. If these two are equal, then only the matrices A and A dash are commute. But here, these two are not equal. So, A and A dash are not commute. Okay? Very easy problems all these are. You have to note down. We see another models here. So two more important problems and very dead easy problems you have to see. Here A is a matrix and B is another matrix. You have to find A into B dash. So for this solution, First here A is equal to 2 0 1 minus 1 1 5. B is equal to minus 1 1 0 0 1 minus 2. Now first you have to find B dash. B dash is equal to minus 1 1 0 0 1 minus 2. Now you have to find A B dash. A B dash. So what is A? 2 0 1 minus 1 1 5 into B dash minus 1 1 0 0 1 minus 2. So this is the row and this is the column. 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 0 plus 0. Again 2 into 0 0 plus 0 into 1 0 plus 1 into minus 2 minus 2. Again minus 1 into minus 1 1 plus 1 into 1 1 plus 5 into 0 0. Again minus 1 into 0 plus 1 into 1 1 5 into minus 2 minus 10. So you have to add these things. Minus 2 here also minus 2, 1 plus 1 2, 1 minus 10 is minus 9. Simply why only multiplication is there is no concept here. Understand? So here you have to find A plus A dash and A into A dash. This is also very simple. So take what is given. A is equal to 2 minus 4 minus 5 3. So what is A dash? First you have to find A dash. So A dash is equal to this first row becomes first column, second row becomes second column. Now A plus A dash. A plus A dash is equals to 2 minus 4 minus 5 3 plus 2 minus 5 minus 4 3. It should be equals to 2 plus 2 4 minus 4 minus 5 minus 4 minus 5 minus 9. This is minus 4 plus into minus minus 5 minus 4 minus 5 minus 9 minus 5 plus into minus 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 5 minus 4 minus 9. Again 3 plus 3 6. This is A plus A dash. And in the same way A into A dash. For this it is also you have to find very easily. 2 minus 4 minus 5 3. And what is A dash? 2 minus 5 minus 4 3. Here rows, here columns. You have to take this. 2 into 2 4 minus 4 into minus 4 plus 16. 2 into minus 5 minus 10 minus 4 into 3 minus 12 minus 4 into 3 minus 12 minus 5 into 2 minus 10 3 into minus 4 minus 12 minus 5 into minus 5 minus 20 plus 25 minus 5 into minus 5 plus 25 plus 9. This is equals to 4 plus 16 20 minus 22 minus 22 34. A plus A dash and A into A dash, that is 20 minus 22 minus 22 34. Okay, very good. So friends, this is very important problem. Very important. These two problems are very important. Very important for 2 marks. So what you have to observe, A is equal to some matrix is there, is a symmetric. If this matrix is symmetric, then you are going to find the value of x. అంటే ఇచ్చిన మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఏ అనేది కనుక సిమెట్రిక్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ అయితే x వాల్యూ కనుగొనాలి. సో ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ సిమెట్రిక్ then we are going to find the value of x. So what is the definition of symmetric? So solution, how we can solve it? Okay. If A is symmetric, A కనుక symmetric అయితే then what is the condition, you know? A dash is equal to A. Then what happened? A dash is equal to A. So what is A dash? You have to write A dash here. A dash means this row becomes column. First row becomes first column. Second row becomes the second column. Third row becomes third column. This is. is equal to, and what is A? Minus 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 6, 3, x, 7. So you have to observe. So what is x here? In this place x is here. So here 6 or this one and this one. Therefore, by equality of matrices, these two matrices are equal. So corresponding elements are also equal. So in place of x there is 6. And in the same way here x, and in that place here it is 6. So finally therefore the value of x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6. In the same way what this problem becomes? It is a skew symmetry. What is it? Skew symmetry. So solution. If capital A is skew symmetric, then A dash is equal to minus A. Then what happened? A dash equal to minus A. So what is A dash? What is A dash here? 0, 2, 1, minus 2, 0, minus 2, minus 1, x 0. Equal to minus of A. What is A? 0, 2, 1, minus 2, 0, minus 2, minus 1, x 0. So you have to complete it. 0, minus 2, minus 1, 2, 0, x, 1, minus 2, 0. So you have to give this minus to all the elements in that matrix. So you multiply all the elements in the matrix with minus, then it becomes minus into 0, 0, minus 2, minus 1, 2, 0, 2. This is 1, minus x, 0. So then you have to compare here. Here what is x? In place of x there is 2. Therefore x is equal to 2. Or take this also. Minus x equal to minus 2. Minus minus cancel, x equal to 2. So x is equal to 2. So if it is skew symmetric, then the value of x is 2. If it is symmetric, then this value is x equal to 6. Very important 2 marks problems. Understand or not? Very good. Note. So if A equal to cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, then show that A into A dash equal to A dash into A equal to I. So for this given that solution, given that A is equal to what is A? Cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. And now what is A dash? A dash is equal to first row becomes first column cos alpha sin alpha, second row minus sin alpha cos alpha. Now first you are going to find A into A dash. A into A dash. So what is A here? Cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha into A dash cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. So this is the row here and this is column here. So A into A dash cos square alpha plus sin square alpha, and here minus cos alpha sin alpha plus cos alpha sin alpha, and again minus sin alpha cos alpha plus cos alpha sin alpha, and again minus into minus plus sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. So you have to observe sin square alpha plus cos square alpha means 1 plus cos alpha sin alpha minus cos alpha sin alpha cancel 0 plus sin alpha cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, it becomes 0. Again sin square theta plus cos square theta 1 is nothing but I2. So A dash equal to I. Okay, and in the same way you have to take multiply A dash into A dash into A. So you put A dash here and A here, then you get multiply. Then in the same way you will get 1 0 0 1. So that equal to A dash into A equal to also I. Therefore you have to write it as A into A dash equal to A dash into A equal to I, like this. Understand? So you have to multiply A dash into A also. Okay? This is the problem. Very simple problem. So first here 3A. 3A is equals to 3 into A. 1 5 3 2 4 0 3 minus 1 minus 5. So it becomes 3A becomes 3 to multiplication scalar multiple of A anamata. So 3 15 9 6 12 0 9 minus 3 minus 15. This is 3A. Now you are going to find B dash. B dash means this is B. So for B dash it becomes 2 minus 1 0 0 minus 2 5 1 2 0. So this is B dash. Then 3A minus oh sorry, you have to get 4B dash also. So 4B dash equal to 4 into B dash 2 0 1 minus 1 minus 2 2 0 5 0. So you have to multiply it. 8 0 4 minus 4 minus 8 8 0 20 0. Now 3A minus 4B dash they asked us. So what is 3A? 3 15 9 6 12 0 9 minus 3 minus 15 minus 3A minus 4B dash. 4B dash means this 8 0 4 minus 4 minus 8 8 0 20 0. So 3A minus 4B dash means 3 minus 8 minus 5, 15 minus 0, 15, 9 minus 4, 5, 6 minus of minus plus 6 plus 4, 10, 12 minus of minus plus 8, 12 plus 8, 20, 0 minus 8, minus 8, 9 minus 0, 9, minus 3 minus 20, minus 23, minus 15 minus 0, minus 15. So 3a minus 4b dash is equal to, this is the value. So there are no difficulty in any of the problem. All are simple calculations only. You have to concentrate on calculations. Then it becomes very easy. Okay. So you have to see, this is one more important and very simple problem. For any square matrix A, show that A dash is symmetric. మీరు జాగ్రత్తగా అర్థం చేసుకోండి. ఇక్కడ దేన్ని మనం సిమెట్రిక్ గా చూపించాలి, ఏ డాష్ అని సిమెట్రిక్ గా చూపించాలి. అంటే ఏ డాష్ అనేది సిమెట్రిక్ అయితే సిమెట్రిక్ అని ఎప్పుడు చూపించగలుగుతాం, దీని యొక్క ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ మళ్ళీ ఏమవ్వాలి, ఇదే మ్యాట్రిక్స్ అవ్వాలి. అంటే ఏ డాష్ ఓల్ డాష్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏమని చూపించగలగాలి, ఏ డాష్ అనే చూపించాలి. అర్థమైందా? ఏ డాష్ అనే దాన్ని సిమెట్రిక్ అంటున్నారు. సో ఏ డాష్ అంతా ఒక మ్యాట్రిక్స్ అనుకుంటే ఇది సిమెట్రిక్ ఎప్పుడు అవుతుంది, దీని ఓల్ డాష్ మళ్ళీ ఇదే అవ్వాలి. కాబట్టి దీని ఓల్ డాష్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఇదే ఏ డాష్ అవ్వాలి. సో ఇప్పుడు లెట్ క్యాపిటల్ ఏ బి ఏ స్క్వేర్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్. క్యాపిటల్ ఏ అనేది ఏమని ఇచ్చారు, స్క్వేర్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ అని ఇచ్చారు. Now to prove A dash is symmetric, A dash is symmetric, then it is sufficient to prove A into A dash whole dash equal to A into A dash and prove చేయాలి. So ఈ prove చేయడానికి take A into A dash whole dash is equal to. So first ఇది లోపల ఏముంది, AB whole dash అంటే ఏమవుతుంది, B dash A dash కాబట్టి A dash whole dash into A, B dash A dash కాబట్టి A dash whole dash into A dash. ఎలాగే కలిగాం, సిన్స్ AB whole dash అంటే ఫార్ములా B dash A dash మన ప్రాపర్టీస్ లో చెప్పాం. సో దీని ప్రకారం ఇది A ఇది B ఇది whole dash అనుకుంటే ముందు B dash చేయాలి. B అంటే A dash, దానికి డాష్ కాబట్టి A dash whole dash is into A dash. అగైన్ మళ్ళీ A dash whole dash అంటే ఏమని తెలుసు నీకు, A into A dash. సిన్స్ A dash whole dash is equal to ఎప్పుడైనా సరే A, ఇది ఒకటి సిన్స్ ఇది. సో A into A dash. సో A dash whole dash తీసుకుంటే ఫైనల్ గా నీకు ఏమొచ్చేసింది, A into A dash. Therefore A dash is a symmetric matrix. A dash is a symmetric matrix. Okay friends, so these are the problems in transpose of a matrix. Tomorrow we go for another topic, very most important and heart of the matrices. Very important topic, determinants. So what is determinant? How we find the determinant of a matrix? So a new terminology and new concept will be introduced on tomorrow's class. So friends, tomorrow is a very most important class. You must follow very carefully. Okay, that's all for today. Meet you again on tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching this video.